the best of me. I'm only one, but not alone. My finest day is yet unknown. I broke my heart, fought every game to taste the sweet. I faced the pain, I rise and fall. Yet through it all, this much remains. I want one moment in time when I'm more than I thought I could be. When all of my dreams are fade away, and the answers are all up to me. Give me one moment in time when I'm racing with destiny. Then in that one moment of time, I will feel eternity. I've lived to be the very best. I want it all, no time for less. I've laid up plans, not laid a chance. Here in my hands, give me one moment in time when I'm more than I thought I could be. When all of my dreams are fade away, and the answers are all up to me. Give me one moment in time when I'm racing with destiny. Then in that one moment of time, I will feel eternity. Whoa, you're with us for lifetime. If you seize that one moment in time, make it shine. Give me one moment in time when I'm more than I thought I could be. When all of my dreams are fade away, and the answers are all up to me. Give me one moment in time when I'm racing with destiny. Then in that one moment of time, I will be
Hi, Lorene Moanya!
Ang Kabalawan,
That's
Tacloban
great.
City!
Yes. Mas lalo nilang pinapahirapan yung mga judges natin.
Exactly, oo. Masakit ang ulo nila,
Yes,
no?
I'm sure. Ngayon pa lang, 6th candidate pa lang to, ha? May isa pa. Nahihirapan na sila, I'm sure, mamili kung sinong winner
Alam mo
for
ba yung
tonight.
song na yan, DJ Liz?
Alam mo, binuhay mo yung childhood memory. Nung bata pa ako, yun kasi
So, ilang
yung
taon ka ba?
usual na
Ilang taon ka na?
I'm 41 years old. Hindi, yung kasi yung kinakanta before, tapos late, yung mga bagong generations, ilan na lang yung kumakanta ng song
Pero
na
ito
yun.
yung mga contest piece talaga na kinakanta ng mga gusto na lang
So why
sumalang
did
sa
you
mga...
choose? Naalala ko, nag-guest siya sa
Contest,
station. English yung kinanta mo nun?
Opo, no more rhyme po.
Yes. Parang napakasimple lang niya.
Oh,
Tapos
pero ngayon, birit,
wala.
ano?
Yes. Why did you choose that song?
One moment.
Oo.
Pinili ko po ang kanta. Actually po, hindi po ako ang nagpili nun.
Sino?
Tinulungan po ako ng pinakamamahal kong papa na
Wow.
kantahin. Na magpumili po ng kantang yon. Pinili po namin ang kantang yon dahil naniniwala po kami na lahat ng tao po meron pong one moment in time. At ngayon po, ginagrab ko po yung opportunity na binigay sa akin ni Lord dahil hindi po lahat meron pong ganitong talent. At nagpapasalamat po ako na
You were given that.
Yes po, na
You're given that chance.
Very
Opo,
well
na-
said, ayan. O, batiin mo na yung mga fans mo dyan. Grabe, kanina pa sila.
binabati ko po ang
Nagpapalakpakan.
pinakamamahal kong pamilya dyan. Thank you po sa inyo. Thank you sa inyo. Nakatulong kayo na mawara takul bahit iyo mga cheer ha. Salamat talaga iyo. Usa ka mo akong inspiration. Thank you so much.
That is true.
Nakaka-touch naman,
Magandang decision na sinama mo sila. Kasi
Oo,
really,
parang-
having your strong support system, yung mga loved ones mo na nagsusuporta, nakaka-boost ng confidence
Exactly.
at nawawala
Tama
yung
ka.
takot. So guys, thank you so much for being here to support
Palakpakan naman
Lorraine.
dyan. Ayan.
Alright? Now, are you ready? Makipakinggan yung sasabihin ng mga judges natin.
Okay.
Alright, let's request Miss Christian Dominic Carvoso to give her insight.
Hi, Lorene. Lorene, right? Hi, good evening. Wow. Congratulations on that. Very strong performance. Yes, very much. First of all, I would like to I like your voice quality. Also, this song that you chose, it showcased your range as a singer. So I think that was a good song choice.
Thank you po.
Yes.
Thank you.
How old are you? How
16.
young are you?
16
rather?
po. 16.
16. Wow.
po.
You're for me you have a rich tone
Thank
sa
you
voice
po,
mo.
thank you.
And especially sa first few lines of the song, lower register pa yon. Parang hindi 16 yung kumakanta. Wow. I'm impressed. Also, ano lang, be careful lang sa parts na sa birit. Please make sure na you still have control over your voice kasi yun nga sabi ko kanina na a singer has the tendency to either overdo or pero okay naman. Overall, I was moved. I'm sure the audience was also moved by your performance. Congratulations, a 16-year-old. Wow. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much po.
Ayan. Ano mo sabi natin sa positive comment?
Ang masasabi ko po, totoo po yun lahat. At nagpapasalamat po ako sa binigay niyong advice sa akin. At babaunin ko po yon sa mga future singing contest ka rin po. Thank you so much po.
Ang ganda. Nagka-goosebumps din ako actually. Alright. Thank you so much, Lorraine.